If you've ever felt stuck trying to get a closer look at your design in Tinkercad, or you've zoomed in too far and lost track of your whole model, this video is going to help a lot. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to zoom in on Tinkercad using a mouse, a trackpad, and the on-screen controls. We'll also cover the fastest shortcut for zooming directly to a selected object so you can work faster and more comfortably. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the simplest and most common method, which is using a mouse. If you're working on a desktop or laptop with a mouse, just look for the scroll wheel in the middle. To zoom in, roll the wheel forward. To zoom out, roll it backward. This is the quickest way to move between a close-up detail view and a wider view of your entire project. It's very useful when you're placing tiny shapes, adjusting measurements, or checking how multiple objects fit together. Now, if you want to zoom in on just one specific part of your model, there's an even faster trick. First, click to select the object you want to focus on. Then press the F key on your keyboard. This is the Fit to View shortcut, and it instantly zooms in on the selected object so it fills the workspace more clearly. It's one of the best shortcuts in Tinkercad because it saves time and helps you stay centered on the part you're editing. If you're using a laptop or a device with a trackpad, you can zoom without a mouse too. The easiest way is pinch to zoom. Place 2 fingers on the trackpad and pinch them apart to zoom in. Pinch them together to zoom out. It works just like zooming on a smartphone, so it feels very natural once you get used to it. On some devices, you can also hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while scrolling with 2 fingers to zoom. That gives you another convenient option if the pinch gesture feels tricky or if your trackpad works better with scrolling. Next, let's look at the on-screen zoom controls inside Tinkercad. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar with several useful buttons. The plus button lets you zoom in a step at a time. The minus button lets you zoom out. If you want to quickly center on an object you selected, use the Fit to View icon, which looks like a square frame. You can also press F on the keyboard to do the same thing. And if you want to return to the default view of the entire workplane, click the Home icon, which looks like a house. That is especially helpful when you've zoomed in really close and want to pull back to see your whole design again. A good workflow is to zoom out first when planning, then zoom in when editing details, and use Fit to View whenever you need to focus on one part of your model. That way, you can move around your project much more efficiently and avoid getting lost in the workspace. So to quickly recap, use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out, press F for Fit to View on a selected object, use pinch to zoom on a trackpad, or use the plus, minus, Fit to View, and home controls on the left side of the screen. Once you get comfortable with these tools, navigating Tinkercad becomes much easier and much faster. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Tinkercad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.